get those pencils ready. We're going to do the God of Destruction, Scooby Doo. I love Scooby Doo. Okay, so this is a full body thing. So I'm gonna just kind of get my proportions laid out. So here's Scoob's head. And then he's got this big arm with this pointy finger here that's all foreshortened. So you gotta kind of know what's going on. We got this tiny little waist. And then we've got these great big pants at the bottom. And we got a shoe back here. And we got a shoe right here. All right, now we can get to going since we know what's what. All right, so we're gonna start with Scooby's head. And we're gonna start with his big dog, big black dog nose. Gotta love a dog nose, so wet, shiny. Oh, Scoob. All right, then it's gonna come down and over, and it's gonna come down and up and kind of a curvy line. Then over here on this side, it's gonna come up, around the nose, and back. So this is the top of the nose. Then it's gonna come up, around. I have this pointy Scooby ear, like so. And there's a little something in the middle there for the middle of it. And the head comes around. And then Scooby's ear comes around and down, because he's got a floppy, and it looks like he's got like a gold thing, something in there. Then over here, it just comes straight down, straight down. Okay, and then for the bottom, he's got like a lip down, around, and it kind of comes back up. And then Scoob's got like a little something there, little line here, some little whiskers, and of course the little like his friend Shag. All right, then for the eyes, these so expressive eyes. Okay, so we're gonna draw a line coming back, and we're gonna have a line like so that's kind of, you know, coming down. There's the one eye. Here's the eyebrow. And then the other eye is quite a bit larger. So here like that, leaving a little white. And then the other eyebrow, like that. Okay, and that goes there. And then we have this gold little dog collar. Back, down, and then this comes over. And then we've got his, whatever this is called. I can't remember the Egyptian name for it. Anyway, like a collar. Okay, and this is very fancy. It's got white lining on it. It's got some rectangles, some diamonds, some more rectangles, just like so. All right, then Scooby's Chesty comes down and in, and then it comes across, and then it comes back up at a diagonal. We've got some little doggy pectoral muscles here. Oh, don't forget the little, yeah. Gotta love the Chesty on a dog. All right, just around there, just some little highlight marks. Then it comes down and over, back up. Has some little highlight lines in it. There we go. All right, then we've got the pants. Ooh. And then we've got the little little flap thing in the front with a V. It comes back up. It's got a double line. It's got some diamonds. Diamonds. Oh, this diamond's very fancy. All right. I think it says Scooby in that. Oh, Scoob. All right, then comes around, back down a little lower. Comes around, and back in. Then we've got his little dog legs that are looking quite human down below. Just like that. Little gold thing there. Go. And then on this side, down a little. There's the other foot. Scooby tail. And then here's the arm. I know you thought, did you forget that, Mrs. Bartz? No, I did not forget it. It's just avoiding it for a while. And he's got his arm behind his back. And then over here, he's like, I don't know, doing some weird thing there. All right, now for the foreshortened thing. Okay, so it comes out, down, back up, and it's got a little bracelet, letter C, up, just like that. And then it's got a wraparound thumb. Kind of looks like a twist. Over, up, and this comes around like that. Then we've got one paw here, the little thing there, repeated and repeated, and then comes around like that. And then this part here just kind of comes down like so. Little bicep indications, and then it's got, oh, I forgot this line right there. There we go. It's got like a gold thing there. There he is saying, hey, come here. All right. Then we've got the ground, and there is God of Destruction, Scooby Doo. Where's his Scooby treats? All right, looks like we forgot some lines here in these fluffy pants. There we go. There, that looks better. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.